We are live. What's up, everybody? Round two, first live crashed, but we are back at it again, making it happen. Live number two. We're continuing where we left off. It happened, software is crashed, but we're back. IG people, jump back on. Let's continue. We left off on Bonk. Flood the chat. What's going on with Bonk? I know nothing about Bonk, but you guys really wanted Bonk. Someone tell me why. What is this obsession with this Bonk thing? Let me know. Let's go in the chat. Let's go. Boom, boom, we are back. It happens. It happens. We're making it happen. Come on. Let me know who has Bonk and why do you have this Bonk? Let me know. Bobby, I get it. Stop flooding the chat. Sorry, not Bobby. Ball. Stop flooding the chat. Let's go. Let's go. Let me just say, for those of you that want to know where everything is, let me just write this. Boom. Let's go. IG people, jump back on. Bonk is a meme coin trash. So this is after HNT. Yep. We just did HNT and it's Bonk. We're just continuing part two. Because it's to the moon. Probably because it's cheap, just like Shiba when it came out. I'm here. Okay, apologies. No worries. We back. Oh no. How will we get 200 after the ETH? Let's get the likes start going up. Simple. I have Bonk because it's part of the ecosystem. Okay, cool. So Bonk, let's talk about it. I know nothing about it. I just thought that everyone, because there's a million coins out there. There's a million coins. So let's go. Yeah. Let's go to the 4 hour. And here we go. The coin is Bonk. And let's give you the levels. This has a lot of zeros, so I'm not going to give all the zeros. I'm just going to give you the last 4 digits. 3278 2280. Boom. So Bonk, you already know, as you can see from the chart, it'll become repetitive. This is the fact about Bonk. It is a clean moving crypto coin. Moves very nicely and you can see it. Now, it's as of right now, like I just said with Bitcoin, it is battling this level at 3278 and it's struggling right here. Now, this is the question. If you don't have Bonk, should you buy here? Yes or no? Why? Flood the chat. Should you buy Bonk? Let me know. Chat is frozen. I can see you guys. Alan, I can see everybody in the chat. Let's go. Let me know. Should you buy here? Yes or no? The chat might be frozen because I don't see any chat coming in now. Oh, YouTube, why do we do this to me? No, the chat's working. There it is. Everybody just flooded in. We are back. I wouldn't. No at resistance. No is a risk. No at resistance. No by Madic. Sal just wants to pump his Madic position. I can see you guys. No, it's at resistance. No. Nope, it hasn't decided if it's rejecting. Very good, Dakota. No, only at key levels. Very good. If you're going long, you don't buy at resistance. We haven't got to a single coin right now that is holding very nicely that could be a buy because tomorrow the market's about to go wild, either tonight to tomorrow. Keep that in mind. A lot of these coins are at points that are very undecisive. So please keep that in mind before you end up doing something wild. Keep that in mind. Boom. So that is this one. Next one. ARB which is Arbitrum. Don't know what this one is. Again, it was in the box. Let's go. Hands up if you have this ticker, ARB. Let me know if you have this ticker, ARB. Did I say it right? Is it ARB? Hold on. I don't want to say the wrong ticker. Yep, I was right, ARB. $2.28. 2.2. 2.12, 1.90. Hands up if you have it. Let's go. Hey, we have the Aussie Goran in the house. What's up, Goran? Too many wicks for me. Haha, I have one, not me. Hey, Dakota. What's up, Goran? What's happening, brother? I told you that it's Arbitrum. Coco, you tell me a lot of things. Lots of wicks. Are these on Coinbase? I have no idea. You guys, I'm not in these coins. I'm just going, Sonia, off of what people posted on my story box. I'm going off of that. No clue. Hope work isn't running you ragged, my friend Goran. Boom. Now, is this a coin that you should have? Let me know. Is this a crypto coin you should have? This is on the 4-hour time frame, Gus. 4-hour time frame. Would you want to be in this coin? Yes or no, and why? Let's go. Flood it. Is this a crypto coin you want to be in? Yes or no, and why? Let me know. Holy wicks. Look at this one. Look at this one. Ordered your book when YouTube froze. Thank you, John. Thank you. Let me see how people are watching on IG. I wonder. 62? What's up, 62 of you? What's up? No, the wicks. No, yes, steady mover. Personally, it wouldn't be good for my mental state. Dakota, got it. No, DK, never heard of it. So I'm all ears. No, too many indecisions for me. Yes, at 190. Let's go. What a price you got that at, Chris. Too volatile. No, no. Crazy wicks. You can just would get faked out. Yep. No, too very good. So I'm not a fan of this stock. Yes, it's moving clean trend to the upside, but look at these candles. Look at these wicks. Just look at this one. This one went from 228 to $2 in a couple of hours. It is not worth the headache. This is all I'm trying to tell you. You want stable coins. Let me ask you a question and I'll prove to you. Watch this. How many of you, yes, Shiba moved up way more than Madic. Yes. How many of you, when I did the live months ago, if I did it on Shiba and you bought at record lows, how many of you would have had a better mental state either in Madic or Shiba? Like, which one would you have preferred I've done? Yes, you would have made more on Shiba. Fine. But the amount of volatility would have wreaked havoc on your soul. Which would you prefer? Making the more money or being more mentally stable and making a little bit to medium amount of money? Flood the chat. No, too risky. I'd rather stick with Bitcoin and eat. Boom. Professor, trading coins for the first time, which one should we stick to? The 3 mentioned in the book or just trade to start with? The 3 mentioned in the book. Give me more Madic. Advantage of the market tomorrow? You can, it'll be wild. Looks too risky. Set the buy at 190 and wait for the fill order. John. Madic. Raw King said Sheeb. Madic, my friend. Madic. Mental stability. Very good. Very good. I love it. I love it. You guys are grounded in reality, and this is why I preach what I preach. Could you imagine how much worse your DMs would be if you recommended coin? That's valid. Dakota, you know me so well. You know me so well. That's true. That is true. It would have been wild. Because I know the type of people that be in the Shibas. My team would have had to have some massive migraines and they'd be like, we need a pay raise. Madic gave me peace when I hit the sell button. There you go, Diego. Welcome to what I am trying to teach you, the path to consistency. This is all I'm about, baby. That's all I'm trying to preach to you. Stability. Some people will never understand the right way. I know, Sal. That's just how it is. So, point being, if you want to stay in this, God bless. But for me, you're watching my live. This is my digital class. I wrote the book. I am many of yours mentors. And what I would tell you is, I want you to have better mental. I want you to make this much and have clear mental stability. Then make this much and wreak havoc on your blood pressure, your soul out the window, and having panic attacks when you wake up and see your positions down 50% in one candle. That's all I'm saying. And if you don't like that I'm preaching this, again, I'm going to keep stressing this. Unfollow, unsubscribe. Hasta luego. Hasta luego. That's all I'm saying. That's what I'm all about. The amount of attacks I got on my other videos saying, look, the pullback, da-da-da-da. People went wild. And all I said is Shiba and Doge fell almost 50%. But it is what it is. All right, next one. Is it what I think it is? What's the next one? Is it what I think it is? Oh, Madic. All right, I'm doing Madic because we did hit over 150 plus likes. We had like 190 on the live that crashed. So we're doing Madic. Now, before I do Madic, I'm going to give you the levels for the future as well. Not just recent, future levels as well. I'm going to give you exactly the levels. So now, let's go, because I want to give a lecture right now. So let's go to a bigger time frame. Don't tell me you're frozen now. There we go. There's a lot of levels on the board. You know what? Let me take these off for a second because I want to have a conversation. How do I hide it? Hide everything. Cool. Because I do want to have a conversation. Hands up if you bought Madic because of me, or you just had Madic prior, but hands up if you got in Madic because of me, and please drop your, if you sold it, that's fine, but what was your average price? Flood the chat, because you know I'm about to go wild. I'm about to go wild. Oh baby, here we get the popcorn. Sal knows. Sal knows. I already have college to stress about. I don't want to waste my time stressing about unstable coins. Preach. Thank you. Mental stability is so important when trading. Correct. Correct. Flood the chat. What was your average price? This is what I want you to do. I'll write it right here. If you have Madic, say yes, average price, sold, if you sold. If you didn't sell, say holding. Please follow that format. Flood the chat. I did 59 cents, sold at 103 based on your levels, 77 cents, 54 cents first cycle, 77 the second cycle, accumulated Madic under 60, $1.11 because of you. 61, 51, hands up. Dylan, 107, sold, still holding. 55 and 79, still holding. Yes, 74 sold. Yes, 61 still holding. Yes, 84 sold. 55 then 74, 56 sold. Yes, 54 holding. Keep going. Yes, average price 0.7 holding. Yes, 111 holding. Yes, 61 holding. Yes, 77 sold 106. Let's go, Ray. Sold 80. Yes, 10. You had it at 10? Nice. No, yes, sold. Yes, 62. It was 79. Missed it. It's okay, Harvey. It's okay. You don't think there'll be another bear market? Think about that. What you learned today can be used in the future. Keep that in mind. By the way, I can't see the likes anymore. Can someone tell me what the likes are? I don't know what they are. Someone write likes and then say the number. I don't want to think it's mixed in with the other stuff. I can't see the likes anymore. I don't know what happened with YouTube. But boom. So now I love it. I love it. Now, this is the conversation about Madic. If you look at Madic, gentle, clean mover. But now, this is going to be a learning. I love this. We're about to learn today. 36 likes, 42. Come on, people. How many people are watching? I don't know how many people are watching either. I have no clue. Something happened with YouTube. So anyone know how many people are watching right now? I can't see anything. It's not showing me data. It usually shows me the data. Likes 43, but how many people are watching? Let me see. I just want to get an idea so I can start yelling at people to like. 118 people watching. People, get the likes up. 118, 120 people watching. Come on, man. Get the likes up 100. Round 2, live crash. I could have walked away. I'm staying with you on a Friday. Come on. Get them up. All right. What I'm about to tell you, I need you to be careful. I need you to understand it carefully. Get your notebooks out. What I'm about to tell you is extremely important. Pay attention. What do you notice as this crypto coin goes higher and higher? Be specific. Flood the chat. What do you notice about this crypto coin? By the way, if someone's coming in late, the coin is Madic. You know you're about to get a big lecture when it's Madic. Let's go. What do you notice? Thank you, Fran, for the update. 75 likes. Someone keep updating me because I can't see. Let's get the likes up. Reduces upside volume. Green candles. As it goes higher, more people are selling. Wix follows Bitcoin. Let's keep going. Following Bitcoin. Well, yeah. Wix getting bigger. More choppy. Reducing upside volume. Bigger red candles. Red candle Wix. Small pullbacks. Follows Bitcoins. Pullbacks. I'm looking for, you guys are not, some of you are right, but I'm looking for a specific answer. Pull back so bad. Candles are bigger volume. It follows Bitcoin. Great bodies. It's becoming more and more what? I'll give you a hint. Some of you are right. If you look, after a certain point, the higher and higher it goes, the more what it becomes. If you're watching on a TV, use your remote to hit the like. Thank you, Sonia. By the way, if you're watching on the TV, please make a video with your phone. Like, take your phone and record it and tag me. I would love to see that. Unstable, more volatile. Very good. I spelled that wrong, but whatever. People are selling. People are buying when someone sells. It's becoming more and more unstable. Keep that in mind. When these events take place, you need to have courage beyond courage. You need to be ready to handle this. That's one. But number two, if you become a master of it on your own, not waiting for other people, have blinders on. You can get in at the key. I'm going to give you the levels. I'm a man of my word. I'll give you the levels on Madic. You could get in on the pullbacks and sell quickly on the top. But you have to be ready with the sell button if it fails on you. If it fails on you, goes against you, you have to be ready to get out. Because if you notice, the higher and higher and higher it goes, the pullbacks get aggressive. Keep that in mind. If Bitcoin fails tomorrow, this weekend, what do you expect to see? Tell me. What do you expect to see? Thank you, Christina. 77 likes, 122 watching. Thank you. Appreciate you letting me know, because again, YouTube is not showing it to me anymore. Don't know why, but whatever. As long as we're live, I don't care. I'll deal with this situation later. I wanted some of that red candle. Bitcoin volatility created Madic's volatility, correct? Now here is the question. Let's pretend every one of us is in Madic right now. Let's pretend. By the way, full transparency, I am out of my Madic trade. Completely, 100%, I am out of it completely. I made a little bit of money on it, praise God. Just a little bit. If we're all in Madic as we speak right now, and we're at a pivotal point with Bitcoin, should you take profits or risk the profits you're in, knowing what might happen or could happen? Let me know. If Bitcoin falls, all altcoins will drop. Yes, Aladino, correct. Massive pullback. Bitcoin is at 68. Yep, it's hovering at that 68. Crypto bull markets aren't fun. There'll be massive pullbacks, 25-50%. People get used to buying the dip. Then they buy the last dip that never stops dropping. Correct, David. That's what happened at the last move. Bear trap, take profit. Of course, take profits and go relax. Take profits. 81 likes now. Thank you, Christina. Take profits. Always take profits. Set a stop loss in case it goes the other way. Well, David, yes, but here's the problem. It'll wick and come right back up. You don't think, David? People were caught on that. Stop loss triggered. Rocket shipped. Take profit. We have to not think how the retail trader will think, correct? Take profits. Take some profits if you are up. That's all I'm trying to say to you. The amount of attacks I get on the recent videos, and it's not their fault. These are just active watchers, meaning they're actively watching but not learning or understanding who they're following. Either take 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%. You can take out 25%, 50%, 75, 100%. That's all I'm trying to say. You want to leave it because you think it's going to go back to like $2.90 something, almost $3. God bless you. Joey, are you on the live? Joey, who sold his Madic and bought his house, are you on the live? I want to ask you a question. Because man, you got me emotional when I woke up to that message. Are you there, Joey? I want to ask you a question, my brother. Because you're not even a mentorship student. That makes it even wilder to me. Makes it even wilder, in my opinion. But won't go broke taking profits. 100%, Jamie Harvey. 100%, take profits. Take profits. Some profits better than no profits. Don't be greedy. That's all I'm trying to say here. I don't think he's here. I don't see his comment. But point being, take profits or risk profits. You do what you need to. Your job is to make money, hit sell, go live your life. Not forever think about it and then be depressed and sad when it goes against you. You wake up one morning. How many of you have woken up one morning, opened up your portfolio or trading view, and saw that you were down 75, 50, 80% down from where you were the night before when you should have hit sell? Flood the chat. How many of you has this happened to you personally where you woke up and saw that you were down 50, 75, 80% on your on that position when you knew you should have hit sell the day before? Flood the chat and be open and honest. Be open and honest. Let me know. Flood it. Let's go. I've done it. Me. Thank you for the honesty. Camilo, JP. That was me when I lived overseas. There you go, Aladino. Does Coinbase allow a buy then sell order trigger? John, not right now, bro. I'm teaching a lesson. Google these things. Terrible feeling. Me. Raw King did that's an interesting emoji. Me with ApeCoin a couple years. Oh, I remember ApeCoin. Never. Fact. Don't worth the extra few bucks. Guys, can we do normal emojis? These are some weird emojis I'm seeing right now. Me. They look like aliens or penguins. I don't know what that looks like. Yep, when the last crypto pullback, held it back for 2 years. Ooh. Me too. Peace of mind over money. That's all I'm saying. Those mornings suck when you wake up to that. 2020 meme stock frenzy. Still regret it to this day. As long as you learn, Jay Millen. So what I'm trying to say is, as you can see, that's all I'm trying to avoid. I will not be live tomorrow. I'm not live Saturdays. I'll be live on Sunday. By the way, live Sunday, 12 p.m. Think and Grow Rich, part 2. Great live. Greeting, Think and Grow Rich, chapter 7 or something. This is a live I'm doing to make up when I went away on my island hopping trip, vacation. But we're going to do 10 parts to it. So please, if you enjoy my content, you enjoy my lives, pull up to tomorrow, 12 p.m. Sorry, not tomorrow. Sunday, 12 p.m. But tomorrow, if you wake up and you're down big because Bitcoin failed the boom, the regret's on you. But if it blows past it and goes to 75,000, 80,000, whatever, then you'll be sitting there, oh my God, don't sit like that. Don't live like that. All right, let me turn on the levels. Let me turn on the levels, as promised. I know it's a little messy. I'll just give you the major levels. How about that? I'll give you the major levels. One 110.95. 103. 93. These are some of the major levels to watch out for. Right now, Madic is struggling. Like I just told you, the higher and the higher it goes, the more and more it struggles. This is what you need to keep in mind. I just don't want you getting caught in this candle coming back. That's all I want. A lot of you made money on Madic because of a live I did months ago when it was in the 50 cents range, that area. And a lot of you have made money because your account doubled off of that. Told you to buy in the 55s, 54, 55, 56. You go back and watch the video, it's saved. And now we're at 113. And by the way, if you go back far enough and watch the live, I gave you the same levels it's struggling in right now. For those of you that don't believe level works, become a detective and go through my content and see what I've said. Does it match with what you've seen in the past? 130 watching, 85 likes. Thank you, Christina. Guys, let's get the likes up to 100. Come on now. We almost hit 200 likes on the last live. That crashed. Come on. And can someone go check? Did that live save? Oh, I'll be upset if that live didn't save. Can someone go check quickly and see if that first live saved? Boom. So point being, we're at a pivotal point right now. This could go either way. I just don't want you to wake up to this candle. I would love for you to wake up to this. It to go in the 20s, 30s. Nothing more. I'm not in it. But if it's for you, God bless. God bless. God bless. That's it. It's saved. Thank you, Harvey. Thank you. Do you think 20, 25% is a good amount of trim? That's what you want, Sal. I can't decide that for you. I can't decide that for you. It's for you. So that is my outlook on Madic. Keep that in mind. I got to get my phone. I got to do a live with GP in 15 minutes, but I'm not even halfway done yet. Let me get my phone. Let me text GP. Hold on, folks. We text GP. I'm not going to make the live. We'll do that live later. Where is he? In New Orleans? No, he's in Texas. So if it's about to be 10, it'll be 9 over there. All right, cool. I'll text GP in a second. We're doing a live with GP later. Full Auto 11, talking about what to do with your profits. Put it in real estate. I'm doing everything for my school, but you should be putting it into dividends, real estate. It'll be live on YouTube. He's going to be on this big screen behind me. So yeah. So now next ticker is XRP. Let's do it. Flood the chat. Are you an XRP? Flood the chat. Are you an XRP? Let's go. Flood the chat. Are you an XRP? And what is your average price? Are you an XRP and what is your average price? I'm about to text GP, but my focus is on the chat. Hey GP, I'm still live on YouTube. It will go past 10 p.m. Let's do the live 11 p.m. EST. All right, done. 40, no, sorry guys, 40 cents, no, I can't buy New York, correct, no, 2,000, want to buy more, all in HBAR, no, 50 cent, yes, 50 sold today, not a lot though, but yes, 34 cent, 59, okay, a lot of people in the 50s, cool. So now here's my question to you about XRP, here's my question. What do you notice about XRP that would stop you from buying it? What are you noticing about XRP? Flood the chat. I'm in XRP 69. Hawking is in, Raw King is in 34. Yes, 51. Professor, I have not traded any of these coins. So trading one of them tomorrow, which one would you recommend to start with? Sana, you're not trading any coins right now. They're already too high up there. That's the last thing you need to be doing. Just find some stocks to trade. You got the book probably. Follow that. But nothing right now. You blocked me on Instagram after I bought the book. Thank you for the Bitcoin. You're welcome, Mike. Mike, I'm not the one blocking actively. I have a team. So if you're a watcher, you don't engage, you're eventually going to get blocked. Come on, Mike. You would know that. You would know that, Mike. No, I don't know you, bro. Think about that for a second. My team is always actively engaging and blocking people that don't engage. Actively. That's their job. There's literally a person whose job is to block. Literally today he blocked like 60 people. And I swear to you, Instagram said you can't block anymore for 24 hours. Just letting you know. Just learn, engage. If not, you'll eventually be taken out. I'm just being honest. Volatile, wicks going sideways. Wicks erratic. 8 more like. Let's go. XRP's at key resistance level and wicking. Sideways movement as a resistance consolidate. Okay, I like those answers. You ready? I see wicks. You guys are following. This one candle. This one candle went from 0.66 0.54 in one candle. Do you not understand what I'm trying to tell you here? Do you not understand what I'm trying to tell you here? If you notice, as the crypto coins I'm going through one by one, the more higher it goes, the more volatile it becomes. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. For those of you that are talking about being blocked, just let it go, bro. You're not going to get unblocked. I'm just being honest. Before you get blocked on YouTube, I'm being nice. You're not going to get unblocked. Just be nice. Watch the YouTube live. Let's get off the topic of being blocked on IG. Hundreds get blocked a week. Hundreds. So just get off the topic. Just get off the topic, okay? Let's move on. So point being, keep that in mind. Steady uptrends. The wicks are scary. This is my issue right here. And again, right now, we are on a clean uptrend, but it's struggling at that resistance level. We can easily go, did I write the levels? No, I didn't write the levels. Let me write the levels. All right, let me give you the levels for XRP. What time frame? I'll show you. No, we're on the daily time frame. We're on the daily time frame. Let me give you the levels for XRP. $66, $62, sorry, $58, $54, $52. There you go. Boom. Nope, not 5-minute candles. I'm on the daily time frame. Daily. So what does that tell you? If you see the wildest moves on the daily time frame, people think it's the hourly or the minutes. That's how wild the candles are. If these candles are this wild on the daily time frame, what does that tell you? What does that tell you? That drop reminds me of what happened to AMD today. Within 1 hour, it went from, yeah, I saw that. Wild, the video too. No, you're good. You're good. You can come back. I won't be. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. You can bring the food. What does that tell you? Know your risk factor always. Risk management is the most important thing, Ronald. Hands down. Volatile, 100%. Don't buy it. No, it's not that don't buy it. Don't buy it now. It's too up there. Again, stage ones. Page 41. Page 41. If I could yell it from the rooftops, page 41. Even more volatile and shorter time frame. Very good, Jita. What's up, Jita? 100%. On the daily, it's so volatile. Imagine hourlies. Insane. Keep that in mind. So that is XRP. Boom. Next one. Let's go. I don't know what this one is. GST, Green Satoshi Token. Don't ask me. I'm just doing what y'all told me to do on the story. So don't ask me. Wait, let me write that again. GS. I just want to make sure I don't say the wrong one. Okay. This thing came out of nowhere. I'm on the daily time frame. Ticker is GST. So this ticker, by the way, flood the chat if you are in this GST, just so I know. Again, this is ticker that you requested on my stories. I'm not in it. Getting ready for stage 4. We're in a bull market. Be careful with that. We're in a bull market. That's what I think too, but tomorrow will tell them, yup, tomorrow is the day to watch. Make or break tomorrow. Hey, Professor, do you think prop firms like oh my Jesus Christ. Bro, we're talking about crypto right now. Please stay on topic. Looks like a penny stock. My boy Goran from Australia. You already know. You already know. You should make sure that the person sending the ticker for you to do a live is here watching, or just skip it, LOL. Some of these are so random. I looked at mentorship student tickers, and then what majority of people said on my regular Instagram. Pump and dump, no, no. Tell me why. Malik says no. Olga says no. Raw King says no. Why? WTF is this? It's a crypto coin. Why would you not invest in this or trade this? How about that? Answer that. Why would you not trade or invest in this? Flood the chat. Is GP live? He hasn't replied. GP hasn't replied. Let me put this. No, I don't want to put it on sound. The microphone's right there. Solana professor, not right now, Javier. Short it. This coin hangs with Shiba. Let's go. Why would you not invest or swing this? Let's go. Let me know. Garbage coin. Again, I know nothing about it. I'm just doing the technical analysis of the coin. Pump and dump. Trash coin. No states. No states. Low price, not worth it. No history, no stages, no trends, no levels. So now, if you notice, this is the definition of a pump and the dump. It had a massive pump up. I love what Goran said, and then a dump. You can't invest in something if you don't have knowledge of it. I bet the capitalization of this is not good. No history. GP! What's up, GP's in the building? What's up? Gerald Peters. Guys, go follow that man. Gerald Peters, the money flow. Love him. Means the world to me. Came to New York. We did an event. Then I came to his event in New Orleans. We're going to go live whenever this live ends. GP, I got a lot of tickers to cover. I texted you. This live might not end till like 10:45 p.m. Eastern. So we could do our live at 11 if you're awake. If you're awake, GP. But good to see you in the chat, my brother. Love seeing you. What do you think of the studio, GP? What do you think of the new lives? What do you think? 94 likes, 136 watching. Hit the like. Yo, let's get the likes up. Let's go. So point being, I'm not a fan of this. No clear trends as a pump and a dump. If you got in early on, praise God, God bless. But boom. But those are the levels for it right there. I personally would not touch this because just look at the bloody thing. No, let's not cancel. So let's go. Next ticker. What happened? We frozen? Okay. Next one is NEAR. NEAR, the NEAR protocol. Flood the chat if you are in NEAR protocol. Let's go. Let's zoom out. I'm going to give you the levels on NEAR. Let's get rid of everything first. Let me just look at the candles for you. Let's hide everything. The ticker is NEAR. Are you in this? Flood the chat if you're in this and tell me, what do you think? Do you like it? You don't like it? Tell me why, and then I'll give you the levels on this one. And also the second question is, let's go. Flood the chat. Let's go. GP, I'll be ready at 11. Thank you, GP. Appreciate it. Yep. I should be ready at 11. We're going to make it happen. Boom. I'll send you a Zoom link, and then you're going to be back here. You'll see it. You'll see it. It's going to be cool. Just make sure you're sitting, clean area in the back, all that stuff, because this I will save the live. Boom. I already have my guy working on the thumbnail. Vicky, just make another account. NEAR went far. Bobby, don't buy here. 96 likes now. Let's go. Let's get the likes to over 100, folks. No, no buy. No, no. So why not? Why should we not buy this? Last time I checked, if a crypto coin just keeps going up, that's when we should buy it. Isn't that what every common person thinks? Let me know. Why should you not buy it here? There's two reasons. I want both reasons. I want both reasons. We almost had 300 likes, 300 people watching, but the live crashed. It is what it is. Let's go. Those are my two questions. Answer them. Very good, Bobby. No major pullback, overextended. Very good. Bobby got the blue check mark. No, looks like stage 4 about to start. No, stage 2. Stage 2. Overextended, overbought. What else? Let's go. What else? That's first answer. What's the second answer? What's the other reason? What's the other reason? Overextended, needs a pullback, keep going. If Bitcoin goes, yeah, there you go. Very good. This looks like Bitcoin. So do me a favor. Keep an eye on NEAR. N-E-A-R. I like this crypto coin. Follows clean trends. Smooth mover. By the way, I'm on the daily time frame. Daily time frame. We are in crazy territories right now, but if you notice, looks a lot like Bitcoin. So keep your eye on that. I actually like this coin. Believe it or not. It's cool. I like the trends on it. I like the trends. Boom. Very good. Now let me give you the levels so you can have that. NEAR. And your levels are 619, 489, 445, 379, 258, boom. Here are your levels. We got 100 likes. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate the likes. Thank you. Thank you. There are your levels for this one. It is stuck. It touched that resistance at 619. If you want to look at it for again, here's the thing you need to understand. Every single thing you're learning from me tonight, in conjunction with the book, put this together. And if you can't afford the book, you're broke. The free course, daytradeprofessor.com, it's free. It's right there. Everything is flowing at the bottom. You guys got to stop asking my team where to get this book. It is, let me not, I pray to God to be by the way, you notice how I'm nicer? You guys notice that? I've been praying a lot. I want to be nicer. I don't like going off on people. I don't. I want to be nicer, and I've been getting nicer, and God's been listening to my prayers. Make me nicer again. But what I want you to understand is use this in conjunction with this. This is actionable content. This is actionable learning. You can get this coin if it pulls back. See what happens. Who says you can't buy $5 worth of NEAR? And see what happens if it goes to $6. I'll tell you a story. One of my friends that I've known for like 12 years. When crypto goes up, everyone's like, oh, what were you telling us? What was that thing about crypto you said years ago? He's like, I don't know about Bitcoin. I think it's a scam. So then as Bitcoin went up, I said, how about this? How much money you got? He goes, I got $40,000. I said, okay. Can you take 1 to 5,000, put it in this app called Coinbase? He's like, can we play with that? He goes, okay. Tell me what to do. And I gave him little mini lessons every time I saw him. I said, candles, the crypto coin Madic, And then I'm like, I want you to see what happens if it goes to this level. I want you to buy a little bit. Buy $4,000 worth of it. He's like, okay. Bought $4,000 worth of it. Madic pumped. You already know. I did this live months ago. Madic pumped. And then he saw it. He couldn't believe it. He is one of those persons, and I love this man. He's one of those that thinks S&P 500 and that's it. That's it. You put money in the S&P, SPY, and that's it. You forget about everything else. And that is how you make it. And he also said, Professor, I'll put money in a CD. I said, the percentage is nothing and your money's locked in. And then when you take your money out, it's a fee. He goes, but with Bitcoin, I said, bro, you could sell Bitcoin 24/7, no locked in, no CD, none of that. And then when he made profits, I told him to sell. When I sold, I tell everyone to sell on my secret Instagram. He sold. Kid you not. He saw how much he was up. I think he was up $1,700. I don't remember, but I know it was more than $1,000. He was in awe. He couldn't believe it. He goes, how is this possible? I said, welcome to my world. He goes, oh, that's how you're funding your school stuff and all these, because I showed him my school video. It's on my secret Instagram. I dropped that already. I showed him my school video. By the way, GP's watching. GP, don't say the dollar amount. I sent GP my P&L on Madic. GP, how many people's salary? Don't say the dollar amount, GP. But GP, how many people's salaries, how many years would it take or how many months would it take for someone to make what I made on Madic, GP? I sent him my P&L when I hit sell. Tell him, GP, but don't say the dollar amount, GP, please. I made a little bit. But let people know the possibilities on what you can make. The possibility. Yes, I notice you've been nice. Yeah, I've been trying, Sal. I've been trying. CDs are so bad, I know, right? You are naturally nice, Professor. Thank you. Bitcoin is hope, 100%. My boy put 4K on Shiba after I told him about Shiba early and he sold at 35,000. Let's go, RG. GP, many years. Many years. What I made on my profit on Madic would take somebody years to make working 9 to 5. Years. I did nothing for that money. I rolled profits from shorting garbage penny stocks and put it into Madic when I was screaming it off the top of my head. Madic, 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 Madic. Boom. Shout out to Joey again. I love you, Joey. Bought a house. I sent GP that. Doctors pay with some clicks. Yeah, you got it. Professor, love your live. Been away for a while. However, as always, thank you for your humility and training. I have to go. Have a great night. See you, Raw King. So, point being, there you go. Try this out on the next pullback. Who says you can't put in $5? $10. Remember that story I told you about my friend? Put in a little bit and see what happens. Play with it and see what can happen. Boom. All right, next ticker. Let's go. I don't want to keep GP up late. So let's go. Next one, Dogecoin. Here we go. Here we go. I'm up 75% after you told me to buy. Let's go, ABB7JUK. Let's go. Dogecoin. Now, before anyone says anything, the amount of hate I got for what I said about Doge on the pullback. Don't get crazy with me. No need to tell us how much you made. You taught us what you did. One isn't taking. Boom. That's it. You got a Dakota. That's all it is. That's all it is. All right. Let's talk about Doge. Let's go full screen. Let's expand. I will give you the levels. Don't worry. I will give you the levels. Ticker is Doge. Flood the chat. Are you in Doge? What is your average price? Flood the chat. What are you in Doge? If you're in Doge, I'm in Doge. Average price. Still in, sold. Flood the chat. To the moon, the money. Oh, GP. GP, still here. Let's go. Love me some Doge. I'm up so much. Praise God, GP. Haha, when he said, yeah, because I don't know how to pronounce. That's not like a name, man. That's just the random letters. Stealing that Dakota keyboard capitalist. 100%. 100%. All I did was the money I make trading is clicking. Well, crypto, I do on the phone. The buy and selling. My stocks on a computer. Yes, nope, not in Doge. Doge is market stage. Elon, yup, Elon Musk. I bought ADA instead of Sol when both went up $2. Shake my head. I bought Sol at 90 and again on the drop. Cool. Sold today. Let's go. Praise God on your profits, 3D. Still in at 1.17. Doge is trash. See, now here's the thing about Doge. Elon constantly brings it up. And when Elon integrates that payment system into X, Doge could explode. I'm in Doge average 33, still holding. 33. Oh, damn. Still in. 02, 13. Cool. So here's the thing with Doge. Here's the thing with Doge. One thing, let's see who can answer this. I did this live years ago. What is the positive about Doge? And by the way, the answer is on the screen. The answer is on the screen. What is positive about Doge? Keep this Elon moving train away, okay, from me. No, I respect it. I'm not in Doge. I respect it. To each their own. What is a positive thing about Doge? And it's not about Elon. Don't bring that up. It's not about that. It's on the screen. Let's see who could figure it out. Let's see who has been reading the book actively. Let's go. Let's go. Stays in channel. Still in Doge. Uptrending, clear trends. Trending up, uptrend, trend. Yep. You're right. It is the trends. But something else as well. You're right. You are right. Trends. Clean trends, but something else. Stays in channels, yeah, something else. Keep going. Come on, I'll give you a hint for those that have the book. I'll give you a hint for those that have the book. Page 58. Hey, RG got it. Respects key levels. Got it. Got it. That's it. One thing I'll really say about Doge, slow mover, yeah, we can say that too. I like that. I call it a gentle mover. But you got it. Clean moves. So say what you will. I'm not a fan of Shiba, but Doge, I'm not in it. I'm not in it. But I like that it's clean moves. It's a gentle mover, as you can see. As you can see, look at this. A lot of undecisive. Again, I'm going to sound like a broken record, but why? Why do the candles look like this? Oh, FYI, now we have a good one to play with. Yo, Sana Khan, are you still watching? Miss Sana Khan, are you still watching? I got something for you, girl. I got an assignment for you, girl. Are you watching? Flood the chat, Sana. Are you in there? Why is this looking like this? What's going on with Doge? Why does Doge look like that? Let's go. Flood the chat. Tell me. She's here. Perfect. Sana, ready? I'm going to talk to you in a second. Stay there, Sana. Cool. I'm going to talk to you in a second. Why does Doge look like this? Let's go. Who's paying attention? By the way, those on IG, jump on the YouTube. Jump on the YouTube. Waiting for Bitcoin. Very good, Harvey. Harvey, Jamie, Harvey. Got it. That's it. Simple. The money flow. Could I ask you about your average price on Doge? You don't mind sharing? So, that's it. Bitcoin. Now, let me talk to Sana. Sana, I'm going to talk to you right now. All right, guys, I'm going to ask a question. Let's go. Ready? Are we ready? Great live tonight. Really learned a lot. Everyone's so engaged. Appreciate you, Sal. New traders. Flood the chat if you're a new trader. Sana, I'm talking to you directly right now, but I'm also talking to the new traders. Flood the chat if you're a new trader. I'm about to give you a trade idea to prove that everything I teach you is actionable, executable. Flood the chat. New traders, I'm going to talk to you right now. I want to see how many new traders are watching. Again, I don't even know what the views are because YouTube is glitching on my side. No idea what the likes are. No idea how many people are watching right now, but it is what it is. It is what it is. The live crash will deal with it. I really hope this live saves. I really hope this live saves because I don't know. New trader, thanks for this live. You're welcome, JT. New, Sylvia's new. Been trading for a year, Jamie. Hello, another BTC short. We're not talking about that right now. I'm new, but I'm also all in on you. I love it, Bobby. I'm glad you're new, and I'll see you at the March mentorship, and I'll see you back in May. Me. Oh, you're not new. Stop it. New. Liz, I don't know what, 140 people watching? Thank you. By the way, thank you for all 140 of you watching. It means the world to me. I love spending my time with you. I'm new here, cool. Do I still count as a new trader, Tomas? Yep, you're new. You're coming to the mentorship in 2 weeks. I'll see you in class, my New York class. You're gonna love the dinner. You're gonna love the cookies, the cryotherapy, the massages. I'm taking you guys to the arcades, like really fun arcades. We're gonna have a good time. Levels. I'm gonna teach you levels all day Sunday. Live trade on Monday. Make some money. All right, new. Okay, cool. Ready? New traders. I'm just talking to you right now. By the way, if you're not a new trader, don't comment for like 2 minutes. New trader. People that are traders, don't comment for like 2 minutes. New traders, listen up. From everything you've learned from me so far today, I've been live for 2 hours and 20 minutes from the other live that crashed. New traders, again, new traders. I better not see other traders comment. This is not for you right now. I'm having a little mini lesson or a mini quiz with the new traders. New traders, is it okay to buy here? Yes or no, and why? Flood the chat. Thank you. You're welcome. No, listen, I know, Elizabeth, you're thanking me, but truly, I appreciate you. Like, I love going live. I don't like social media. My team posts, my team edits, my team replies to DMs, comments, all that. I don't like doing any of that. This is the only thing I enjoy doing. Believe it or don't believe it. There's the reason why I've been live for over 4 years now on Instagram. Social media, I've been live and active on live. Because this is the only thing I actually like doing. You can't take this away from me. And you notice not a single hater in the comment for the past 2 hours and 20 minutes. Boom. They're watching. I know you're watching. I know you're watching because you know you can learn something, steal it, use it, boom. It's okay, haters. Yes, you can buy here. I've been praying more so I feel new too. Let's go, Sal. Always good to get closer to God. Wouldn't want to be anywhere else on a Friday. Thank you. Resistance, no buy, support. Yes, you can. Brenda says, yes, because we're touching support. Yeah, buy. Yes, there's a support there. Bobby's a good student. Yep, respecting that level. Serge says peace. Adrian, BTC analysis. Very good. Yes, you can. The answer is yes, you can. So, Sana, you were asking me what coins you can trade tomorrow. So, Sana, I got you right now. Go buy $1 worth of it, Sana, if you want. If you want, go see it. Test it out with $1. Go try it out. Doge is 0.1695 cents. Buy $1 of it. Where would you sell, Sana? Where would you sell? Tell me. Or sorry, not just Sana. New traders. Where would you sell? Some people say no. The answer is yes. You buy here. You buy on this hold right here. Technically, you wouldn't because Bitcoin's at a key level resistance, but it's only 16 cents. Excuse me. It's only 16 cents, and this is just a test to prove that what I teach you is actionable. But I'm going to tell you where the stop loss goes. I'm going to ask you where the stop loss goes. Buy and stop loss below. We'll talk about that in a second. Yes. Tomas says 0.1947. Correct. This is your sell. Right here. Correct. Now here's the question. Where would you put your stop loss? Let's go. 0.1948 or earlier if you want to take profits. Correct. Where would your stop loss be? Let's go. Very good, Sana. You got it. Harvey, good. Sell at 1948. Cake Boss says 18. Actually, penny under. You want to wait for the candle to close below that level. And if you want to know what time frames, multiple time frames, crypto trading, the book has all the answers. I ain't giving you all the answers. You got to go and take some action. We got to wake up. I will be live on YouTube Tuesdays, Fridays, Sundays, all the way to June before I leave for Thailand for 3 months. For those of you watching that live all across the planet and can't get a visa, bro, I got 4 seats left in the mansion to live with me. July. 4 seats left in Thailand in a massive mansion. Live with me. We live trade. We learn. August is sold out. Too late for that. But August, Thailand is fully sold out. We don't have space. But July, boom. Look, learn multiple time frames. Go to the crypto chapter and execute on that. So Sana, there you go. There you go. And that is Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is at a good place to buy. Keep that in mind. Boom. Remortgage the house and go all in, professor, is never wrong. Chris, stop it. No. No, listen, I make mistakes. I'm not perfect. Don't do that. Don't do that. But I appreciate you, Chris. Chris, are you the Chris that's wife is from England? Are you that Chris? Photographic memory. Are you the Chris whose wife lives in England? I mean, sorry, is from England. Let me know. London, England, one of those. London is in England. All right, next ticker. All right. We got AAVA, AVE. Let's do it. Let's do it. How can get info for July? Camilo, DM me on Instagram, Day Trade Professor. Thailand mentorship. My team will send you over the information for the mansion, the pricing, everything. This is the first of its kind mentorship. I've never done something like this because the July one is the only one of its kind. Because this is the one for those that can't get visas to come to America, which I understand. I only have 4 seats left. Where it's 7 days straight with me. We will live trade Monday to Friday. We will trade stocks. We will do cryptocurrency. It's a full-blown 7-day mentorship only for new traders. I will teach you in the weekends. And by the way, it's a very small class in the mansion. Everyone lives in the mansion. I got you a chef. I got you maids. I got you all of that stuff. And if you want, you can come and Muay Thai fight with me. Hit up my sensei. And you can work out with me there as well. But you don't have to if you don't want to. That's people's own prerogative, not my business. But that's what I'm doing in Thailand from June to September. I'll be there for 3 months. So keep that in mind. How can I get July? Thanks, Dakota. Somebody's laughing. I'm about to, Chris. Thanks. Cape Cod, yes. Thank you, Professor P. Yep, I knew it, Chris. Yeah, I knew you were that, Chris. I'll see you in May. You're coming to the May mentorship. Saturdays usually has price drops. My mother-in-law is. Your mother-in-law is. Boom. Thank you. 108 likes, 136 watching. Thank you, Christina. So now, ticker is, what ticker was this? AVE? Let me just confirm. I don't want to make a mistake. AAVE. Ticker is AVE. Flood the chat. Are you in AVE? Are you in AVE? Let me know. What's your average price? Did you sell already? Let me know. Man, I would love to do that. Message sent about Thailand. Boom. My team will get to you. My team will get to you in Thailand. They'll send you the dates, the pictures of the mansion, your bedroom, all that stuff. We all live together 7 days, the whole 9 yards. Massive house, massive pool in the richest neighborhood in the city in Thailand. So boom. Like I said, 4 seats left. August is already sold out, so please don't ask. By the way, no. Let me not say too much. Well, damn, go for March, May, or try to pull off Thailand costs. So no, Bobby. So Bobby, I got you. If you become a mentorship student March or May, you can come to August in Thailand for free. Bobby, I got you. I'll say that again, Bobby. If you are a past mentorship or about to be one March or May, you can come, not July, but you can come to August. You can't live in the mansion, it's sold out. But you can live around the mansion for free, Bobby. I know some people still don't believe that. My team send these DMs to my team. For example, Bobby, if you sign up for the March mentorship in 2 weeks, you can come to Puerto Rico for free, the mansion. Actually, I have 1 more seat left in the mansion. Someone's family got sick and they can't come. But you just have to pay for excursions if you don't want to live in the mansion, Bobby. So boom. No to Ave is only available for new mentorship, Thailand. No, friend. July is only new. August is past mentorship. August, you have to be a past mentorship. But the mansion is sold out, but you can live around the mansion. I take care of my mentorship students. Don't talk dirty to me, Professor. What'd I say? So now, Ave, let's do it. What do you guys think? Good crypto coin or bad crypto coin? Tell me why. What do you think about Aave? Flood the chat. By the way, GP, we're good on time. We're going to make that 11 o'clock live. By the way, guys, put that on your phones. 11 p.m. Eastern. Once this live ends, I'm going to go get some water. And we're going to go live again with Gerald Peters. We're going to go live till midnight, 1 in the morning. Let's do it, baby. Let's do it. We're going to do it. No one's chatting in the chat box? Am I frozen? No, here we go. Same as all the rest. Haha, overbought, overextended, bad. Don't think respects levels. Like the old days. Fran, there's 2 Thailand mentorship. One is for new traders. Correct. July is for new. Not old. This is an experiment I'm doing. I've never done this before. And August is for past mentorships. Yes, overextended, but very nice clean moves. Stage 1, stage 2, had the pullback. Stage 3, but exploded past. Stage 2, and it's continued to the push to the upside. Again, do not get into this. It's already moved up too much, but let me give you the levels. Oh, that's not a level. Nope, that's it. So this bad boy makes some serious moves right there. Serious moves. But it is a clean mover. But I know a lot of you don't like this because the price is 142. You like them penny ones, $1, $5. I get it. I get it. I get it. That's why a lot of you go into the Shibas and all those type of things. The Pepes and all that. So I get it. So there you go. That's Aave. Next one. There you go. JP, are you in the chat? This ticker is for you, my brother. This ticker is for you, JP. Are you in the chat? You asked for this in the secret Instagram story that I posted. So let me know if you're in the chat, JP. This is what you wanted. FET. Fetch AI. Is JP in the chat? Ticker is Fetch AI. The best time for backfilling was 4 to 5 months ago. Correct, David. Can you go over vet? Nope. I'm only going over what majority of the people wanted. Yes, Fetch. Flood the chat. Are you in Fetch AI? Flood the chat. I'm out of water. I'm out of water. Flood the chat if you are in Fetch AI. Please zoom out to all-time highs. Not right now. Later. Not right now, Derek. I'll do it later. Flood the chat. Are you in Fetch AI? What's your average price? Let me give you the levels. 2.96. 2.42. 1.77, $1. We'll just go up to $1. JP doesn't look like he's in the chat. He would have commented by now. No fetching here, no fetch. Somebody said yes, no fetch. What do you guys think? Clean mover, clean trends? What do you think? Let me know. Digital Galaxy's been in it since 2017 cents. Nice. Nice. Not in fetch, no. Let's go. Let me know. Nice mover, good crypto coin. Yes, it's overextended. A lot of crypto coins are overextended. Agree with you 100%. But overall, clean trends, looks good. What do you think? What do you think? Let me know. Yes, clean mover and trends. Yep. Clean mover trends. This is a good coin. Keep this on your radar when it eventually comes back. Remember, a lot of these crypto coins will eventually, I'm not saying tomorrow, next week, eventually the bear market will come back. These are cycles. Crypto stocks, everything goes through cycles. Keep that in mind. Off topic a touch, but can I go to the July Thailand, or is it only, no, or Noah, it's only brand new. It's an experiment I'm doing because 2025 I'm doing Costa Rica mansion mentorships in the summer of Costa Rica. So I'm doing an experiment, but no, this is for new traders. You can come, Noah, to August. The mansion's booked, but you can come for free for August. It's the same thing, Noah. It's 7 days. But everyone there, because the thing is, we're going to trade penny stocks all of August. July, it's going to be a little bit of penny stocks, mainly blue chips, but a little bit of penny stocks. JP's in the building. There he is. Thank you. You're welcome. So there you go, JP. What's your average price on this, JP? Just making sure. Thank you. You're welcome, of course. What's your average price, JP? By the way, Noah, if you go to the secret Instagram, look at the highlights. I break it down in the highlights. Pull up Thailand in the secret Instagram highlights. What's your average price, JP? Junior said, I sold all my Bitcoin. Cool. I'll be there. Yeah, just let me know. All you got to do, Noah, I already have the group chat started. We got the classmates in the group chat. Just send me your flights information. And the address of the mansion is in the secret Instagram's highlights. The address. Come back sort of $1 so I can get in. $1 is a very strong level, as you can see right here. Yup. You give so many good options. Thank you for that. You're welcome, Bobby. JP, what's your average price, my brother? What's your average price? Tell me. What is your average price? By the way, those watching on Instagram, again, I'm live on YouTube. Get off of the Instagram, jump on the YouTube. Looks good. Let's go, JP. Waiting for you. Then I can move to the next ticker. I just want to know. And where are you taking profits? Let's see where this bad boy, let's look at all-time highs. Let's go to a higher time frame. Yep, we're at record highs. We're at record highs. Support and resistance king, appreciate you. LOL, it's JP. What did I say, GP? My bad if I said GP, I don't know. Bro, I'm live for almost 3 hours. We're going to go down for 4-hour lives. So, all right, JP's not telling me his average price. We're going to go to the next ticker. But we're at record highs here. Be careful with this bad boy. We're at record highs. Keep that in mind. All right, next ticker. Here we go, folks. The mother of all my tickers, Ethereum. It is here. You can see it moving right here. You can see it moving in the school's emblem. You see the Ethereum. You see the Ethereum. Let's do it. Flood the chat if you are in Ethereum. Are you swing trading Ethereum? Are you long-term investing in Ethereum? Flood the chat. Let's do it. I got all the levels for ETH. Let me first, hold on. Let me clean the chat. Let me clean the chart. Then let's talk about ETH. One of my friends texted me. He's never asked me to look at a ticker for him. I've known him for like 11 years. All right, let me text him to make sure he's watching, because he's like, please, can you? And he's never asked me to do a ticker. My brother, I'm live, about to do Ethereum. You asked me to do it. I don't know if you're watching the live on YouTube, but I'm doing your Ethereum right now. Jump on. Let's go. I'm in long-term, not yet. Long-term, holding, investing, ETH up 65%. Let's go, Christina. Long-term, sold my ETH today. Interesting. Looking to buy more. Guys, flood the chat. If you bought ETH, because I told you years ago, if you've been with me long enough, I've been yelling ETH out since it was $300. $300, $300, $400, $500. I've been yelling it out. And back in the days when I used to do discounts, don't ask me for a discount. My team will block you instantaneously. Back in the days when I used to do discounts, it would be Ethereum. When Ethereum went down, like a pullback, it would be a discount code. I used to do discount codes connected to Ethereum. That's how much I love it. Of course, long term, Will Professor, all love. You're the man. Thank you, Will. Long term, yes, ETH. By the way, let me know. I see a lot of you have ETH. What is your average price on ETH? Because I'm about to go into it. We're going to talk heavily about it. What is your average price on ETH? Yes, since $2,000. There you go. Finally, JP. What the hell is it taking you so long? $1.74. Okay. Let's go. Give me your average price on ETH. Let's go. Let me know. Because we're about to go into ETH. $930. Nice. Yes, I bought it because of you at 1846. I love it. Got in at 1800. I bought it after you said to do so. It was 1500. And when I got, let's go. 1359. I sent it. Must be lagging on my end. No worries, JP. It's lagging on your end. Yeah, I talked about that a long time ago. Just close it and come back to the live. Bought ETH since 2021 lives. Let's go. Up 114%. Let's go, Sal. Praise God. Praise God on all of you for taking action. Bought at 800, sold before the crypto bear market at 3,100 for the down payment of my house. Never bought again. Let's go, RG. About 1,700, 1,250. Camilo says. By the way, all those of you that constantly thank me for things, let's be clear. You take action. You execute on all of this, not me. You. Keep that in mind. You. Professor, can we look at OM coin at the end? No. Sold but would like to go back in. 1,800. Up, sorry, was 2021. Boom. So again, if you notice, it is in the school's emblem. If you can see the emblem right here. I love it. I love ETH. I've loved it ever since the 300s. And here's one of the reasons why. Let's go into it. ETH has been on a monster move lately. I'm going to give you the levels. Take it easy. Let's talk about it. By the way, who got an ETH coin instead of a Bitcoin? By the way, if you don't know, when you get the book, I give you a physical, and I'll tell you how. Yeah, it's not plastic. It's metal. Steel, pure steel. Look at this ETH. Or the Bitcoin, you get one of the two. Depends on it. Whatever my team wants to put in the box, the packaging. But I planted the seed. I just want you to have other sources of income. Believe in investments. It's all possible. When they tell you to sell, they'll buy behind your back. They're up to their own shenanigans. Professor, you're the real MVP. Thank you, Junior. Are you my junior that's been to 12 mentorships or a different junior? 115 likes and 37 watching. Thank you so much for being happy for us. It means a lot. Appreciate you the likes. Should I take my profits to pay for your course between ETH since 8? That's on you, Frank. I can't tell you that. You have to decide that. But I love that. I love that you bought it, Frank, because of me. And you're going to sell, take the profits, and come to my mentorship. Don't say course. My course is free. Say my mentorship. And pay for that using profits to make money to learn, invest in yourself. I love that Frank Rodriguez said that. Should I take my profits to pay for your course? Bid and eat since the 1800s. $1,800. He's going to take it and invest it in himself. Not me. You're investing in my school, but you're investing in yourself. So you can become independent on your own and catch other moves when I'm not always around. Because all this stuff also relates to stocks, Forex, all the markets. Yes, but you teach us, you motivate, you are the way. Thank you, Sal. I have both. Nice, Jeanette. Nice, Jeanette. Because you've been a mentorship student forever. By the way, shout out to Jeanette. She's the reason I got the meeting with the politicians for the school in Puerto Rico. Shout out to Jeanette R. She is the reason I had the meeting with the politicians. I got it with the book, me. I got the ETH coin, different junior, got it. I got an ETH, love the book. Boom. That's why, I give this away for free for, again, like I said, a reason. Plant the seed in your mind. You know in the movie Inception, I love Leonardo DiCaprio. The movie Inception, where he goes in your mind and plants the seed. You buy the book and you go, what the hell is this? Some people don't believe in crypto. What is ETH? Let me go Google this. Let me jump to the crypto chapter. This man gave me this coin. Why? I wonder why. You know what? Maybe let me buy some ETH. I trust the professor. I believe in the professor. He gave this for a reason. Let me buy some. And look at the amount of people that are up big money because of one seed I planted. Just one seed I planted. Just one. That's all I'm here to do. For those watching that don't believe any of this, I got you. I got you right now. Daytradeprofessor.com, free trading course. Go watch that. Unsubscribe, unfollow, and go away if you don't believe any of it. I'm good. I am good. As you can see, I'm having a great time. My Friday nights, it's almost 11 p.m. Eastern. I'm about to do a second live for y'all. We're about to go to midnight, baby. For you. I want an ETH coin, but got a Bitcoin. I got an ETH pillow now. I'm sorry, mentorship. But yes, I've been itching to pay for the mentorship. Frank, if it's your decision, you do it, invest in yourself. You're up so much, you got to make the decision. The best investment I ever did was come to your class. Thank you, Will. Will, are you that Will? That we talk on the side of Secret Instagram? You've been doing really well. Are you that Will? The book helped, but I know class will help more. Yes, long term, 118 likes. Thank you, friend. Thoughts on ENS? We're not doing that right now. I'm up 100% on ETH. Let's go, Tyree. Professor Noobs Extra Sub. Bro, I don't like that name, man. I don't know what that means. And I don't want to block you. Professor Noobs Extra Sub. I don't know what that means. I don't like it. So change that name if it's some kind of attack on me. But I'm gonna block you in a few more comments. I don't know what that means. I don't know if you're trying to insult me, because I don't know what that means. Which seeds should we plant first next coming year? Ooh, we'll talk about that later, sir. Professor has been saying to buy ETH since forever, since the beginning. $300. $300. Thank you, Professor, for overtime teaching. Thank you. I'll be moving there too. That's the goal. Great movie. Might be stupid question. If all crypto follows Bitcoin, why not just focus on one crypto? Of course you can do Bitcoin. God bless you. Yes, I'm the Will that lost in AMC. Love you, Will, so much. So proud of you, and I'm excited to have you tell everyone your success story in May. You've been killing it after the class, and I appreciate you. I got in at 1875. I love it. All right, so let's do it. ETH has been on a monster rally. ETH is really deflationary because they're constantly burning ETH. They're constantly burning it, and the price keeps going higher and higher. I'm not going to be the one to say that ETH's going to be 10,000 next week and these things. We can't go into uncharted fantasy world. But ETH has always been my favorite because they're constantly burning it. And it has the Ethereum network. I'm not going to go into a full-blown Ethereum lesson. You can Google these things. But the Ethereum network is the electricity of the future. This is why my obsession with ETH. Just bought your book. Thank you, Mark. Appreciate it. By the way, bring the book to every single live. By the way, for those that haven't bought the books ship out on Saturdays, tomorrow. Just letting you know. For those of you that want the book, ships out tomorrow. You'll get it within next week. My team ships out the bulk of them Saturdays. So if you want to get it soon to be able to come to the next live, Tuesday, Fridays, Sundays, today is the day she ships it out. I can't talk right now. I've been live for 3 hours. Okay. I'm stuttering now. But if you want to get the book, get it today. It ships out tomorrow. If you're in America, you'll get it in a few days. Just bought your book. Okay, I said that. Back here after 2 years, Professor. Welcome back. I just subscribed and I'm using my 12-year-old son's account. I'm new and I want to buy the book. Okay, I got you. All right, cool. Respect it. Your son has a weird screen name, bro. Daytradeprofessor.com. All the information is in the description on the YouTube live. You can buy the book from there. What's your book? New here. Right here, bro. How to be a consistent trader. Teaches you about stocks, crypto, forex, trading, long-term investing. Everything is in here. Everything. It has videos, charts, breakdowns, all of it. And some videos you'll never see anywhere but in here. I've been taking tons of notes. Thanks. You're welcome, Jamie. I'm excited. I appreciate you, Mark. So let's go. ETH. Let me give you the levels. By the way, just so you know, ETH, we've been rallying. I'll give you the levels. Hold on. Again, this is ETH. We've been rallying for 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. 4 weeks of rallies. If you are in this, are you happy nervous. Tell me why. Again, flood the chat. If you're in Ethereum and you know it's been up for 4 weeks consistently, are you happy or are you nervous, and why? Flood the chat. Is it necessary to own some ENS in conjunction with ETH? I don't own any ENS. Nick, thank you, Professor, for the information you provide us. It's really enlightening. Enlightens our way when it comes to buying and selling. I cannot wait for November class. Thank you. Ramadan Kareem, my brother. Thank you, Nick. You coming to the November class? Yep, Nick. Is your Instagram picture the blue thing, Nick? Are you that Nick with the blue? I don't know what it is, but I know it's blue. Are you that Nick? Photographic memory, folks. I remember you guys like that. And tell me why. Happy, tell me why. Happy and nervous, happy so much, more potential in the long term because if Bitcoin pumps, ETH goes up, happy. If it feels nervous, I'll sell half and hold the rest. Happy but won't lie, nervous too. But tell me why, guys. Tell me why. Tell me why. We're looking good on time for the 11 o'clock live with GP. First live with him on YouTube. Tell me why. Nervous. Happy to exit. Tell me why. You guys are not answering properly. Nobody's answering the why. There we go. Thank you, Jita. He's nervous because it's overextended. ETH approval, ETF approval, happy, nervous, overextended. Very good, Jay Millen. Very good. There we go. Keep going. Sal, in between, holding it long term, not a position I'm taking profits in right now. ETH, ETF will come out. Cool. Keep going. Keep going. Who else? Because it's been way up for too long, correct? So now let's have, for us, let me read a page out of the beginning of the book. The first page of the book of what I say. To understand the present and future, you must understand the past. I'm on Ethereum on the weekly time frame. Seven weeks of green. Look what came after. Seven weeks of green. Look what came after. 6 weeks of green. Look what came after. And after. And after. I will be the first one to tell you this. While I hold my Ethereum pillow, I will be the first one to tell you this. Come. This is what I would tell you. And I'll be the first one to tell you this as I hold my Bitcoin pillow. You have to live in reality. I'm not telling you to sell. I need you to pay attention to my words. Nothing ever goes up forever. Thank you, Christina, for the update. 122 likes, 133 people watching. Guys, let's get in equilibrium. If there's a single thing I said to you that clicked and helped, just click the like. It's for the algorithm. I just want to get my face worldwide, as you can see. So when I build my school is filled with people, students willing to learn worldwide. By the way, shout out to South Korea. I don't know what's going on, but the algorithm has triggered in South Korea. I'm like, who the hell is all these people? And I look, South Korea. So Australia, let's go. Now I'm in South Korea. It's a beautiful thing. But back to the point. You cannot expect things to go up forever. It's not how it works. Eventually, as I hold my Ethereum pillow, eventually there will be pullbacks. Eventually, people will take profits. Page 41. That's what I need you to understand. I'm not telling you to sell. No one. I never tell you what to do when it comes to that. That's your decision. I only guide you for something that I do. I'm a big believer in ETH. I've always been. Again, it's literally in the school's emblem. Literally in the school's emblem. It's everywhere. So that's what I would tell you. Don't live in fantasy world. If you follow me, you call me your mentor. When it comes to certain levels, your job is not to stay in forever. Folks, I don't share my P&L, but what I would tell you is, with Madic, I bought at highs, sold, took the profit, reloaded, and bought it more stronger and stronger. Do you understand what I'm saying? The potential of you understanding the power of compounding. Albert Einstein said the sixth wonder of the world is compounding. If you truly understand, if you could take your wins, atom, take your wins, atom, and it becomes massive. That's how you create real wealth. By adding on to your winners as you sell and sell and sell. Your job is not to be stuck in the next run that happens. If there's one thing you can learn from your past mistakes, is that if you've been stuck in the previous bull run and you never sold anything and you sat, because I know who you are, you've DM'd me years ago. Those of you that bought Madic at $2.80, $2.50, I don't know what you want me to tell you. And you never sold, and you saw Madic go from $2.80, $2.70 to $1.50, 50 cents, all the way to 30 cents. And you said, damn, professor, I wish I listened to you when you constantly say, just hit sell. That's why my second book is going to be called Just Hit Sell. I want you to understand that. They will not go up forever. You need to learn to hit sell and put it into cheaper or lower price things. That's what I need you to understand. I don't want you to be caught in the next collapse. Understand, that's all I'm saying to you. Nothing more, nothing less. Keep that in mind. And that's coming from the biggest supporter of Ethereum, okay? It's in my school's logo. So ETH, here are the levels. Here are your levels for Ethereum. Let me give you the major ones. Write it down. Here are the major levels for Ethereum to keep your eyes on. Here are the levels for Ethereum you got right there. We have been on a monster move lately. Do not let social media tell you that this is going to 10,000 next week. Yes, Ethereum ETF. Yes, I get all that deflation. I get it. I'm the biggest supporter. I'm not telling you to sell. I'm not saying any of that. All I'm saying is, if you're up 100, double, triple, quadruple your your original position, you need to wake up to reality. You need to enjoy the profits. You need to put them in dividends, put them in real estate. Not everyone, put them in, invest them in you. That's the next live that's going to start. Let's do 11:15. Guys, everyone, 11:15 will be the next live with GP. And we're going to continue the lesson I'm doing right now. We're going to move it over to what should you do with your profits. Because not all of you are like me, building a campus. building homeless shelters, humanitarian aid stuff that I don't talk or post about. You're not doing those things. You just want dividends, steady flowing income. That's what I would tell you. So before I end the live, this is the conversation we need to have. You already know. A quote out of the Quran. We'll pick a random chapter. I don't know. And stop. Let's see. Here we go. All right. Chapter 7, verse 66. Let's do it. The disbelieving chiefs of his people responded, "We surely see you as a fool, and we certainly think you are a liar." Hud replied, Prophet Hud, peace be upon him, "O my people, I am no fool, but I'm a messenger from the Lord of all worlds." The Quran even talks about all worlds, so you know there's alien life out there. "Conveying to you my Lord's message, and I am your sincere advisor. Do you find it astonishing that a reminder should come to you from your Lord through one of your own, so he may warn you? I am one of you. I am a trader here warning you, guiding you, telling you that the financial future of you and your family depends on you hitting sell, investing in yourself. Do not get caught in the government's game of the year 2030 agenda of making you in a welfare state, controlling you where you won't question them if they destroy this country completely and make you enslaved to their paychecks that you live off of it. Remember that. There's a bigger plan at fold, and the only way you can escape it is if you invest in yourself. Keep that in mind. Remember that he made you successors after the people of Noah, peace be upon him, the flood, and increased you greatly in stature. You are blessed to be in a country where you have money in trading accounts, crypto forex stocks, that you can execute and make money from your money when countless others cannot. So remember God's favors so you may be successful. If you don't pray to God and you don't give to the poor, I'm not talking about these fake charities. If you don't execute on that, you will never be blessed. If you don't execute and help others with the money that you make trading. If I have helped you make any money in any way, shape, or form, I ask you for one thing and one thing only. Go out in your neighborhood, find some homeless, and feed them. If you don't believe in it, God bless, unfollow, unsubscribe, go somewhere else. You must give back, or God will never give you anything more. If you don't appreciate what he gives you, he will take away everything he's given you. Because everything you get is a test from the Almighty. Your first job is to give to your mom and dad, the poor people in your family, and then the poor overall. The amount of money I made on crypto, I'm not telling you what I'm doing with it, but I told my secret Instagram and a whole bunch of stuff that I'm doing. A whole bunch of stuff that I'm doing. You know what? I'll share. I don't like sharing some of the things I do. No, I'm not going to share. I said it to the secret Instagram, what I did, but I'm not sharing. I made such a little amount of money that a small portion of that, I feel like I'm lying, but it's not lying. I'm trying to protect myself from evil eye. So I'm trying to protect myself, so it's not really lying, because it's not a little bit. It's really not. But I'm saying it's a little bit. And I took a percentage of that, and I'm doing heavy hitter stuff with it. It's not your business. Even if I told you, some of you won't believe it. So what's the point? Let me not tell you anything. So boom, I'm not done. So remember God's favors so he may be successful. They said, have you come to us so that we would worship God alone and abandon what our forefathers used to worship? Then bring us what you threaten us with, if what you say is true. Your forefathers, your grandpa, your abuelita, your great-grandparents don't believe in stocks. They don't believe in crypto. They think it's a scam because your Theo got scammed because he put money in some stupid-ass coin. But your family gets scammed by other family members by listening to their nonsense business ideas. But when you tell them you want to escape the poverty of your bloodline, they tell you, don't do it. I don't know about that. Just go to college, get a 9-to-5, invest in the 401k. Just do that. Your forefathers were broke, and your children will be broke if you don't break away from the things that they used to do and you don't engage with the new things that is possible. I need you to understand that. It's your job to break your lineage into a righteous path. You must execute on this. He said, You will certainly be subjugated to your Lord's torment and wrath. Do you dispute with me regarding the so-called gods which you and your forefathers have made up, a practice God has never authorized? Then wait. I too am waiting with you. Do not be like our ancestors. Do not be like your bloodline. If you come from a poor bloodline, it's your job to break you and your family and the next generation out of that poor bloodline. Enough is enough. Wake up to what you need to execute on. I promise you, if you stay on one mentor, one strategy, one God mindset, the sky is the limit if you take it seriously enough. There's a reason why my book costs as much as it does, because it prevents low class, low value, broke spiritually, broke mentally, broke physically to ever enter my radius. This is why year to year, my prices of my classes go higher and higher. But once you're one of mine, every mentorship becomes free except December, and except if you want to live in the mansion, except if you want to pay for excursions. Thailand, August, is fully free. Flood the chat if you don't believe me. Flood the chat for those that are coming to August. Unless you want to come to the mansion. Fully free, August. For those of you that come to May or come back to the future mentorships, free. Why? Because once you're with me, you're with me. You need to execute. You need to decide what's worth it and what's not worth it. You decide all of it. I'm about to go live with Gerald Peters, Full Auto 11. Give me 10 minutes.